Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're going to talk about competitor analysis in terms of SEO and especially white label competitor analysis services. In today's fiercely competitive business landscape, staying ahead of the curve requires more than just intuition. It demands data-driven decisions and a deep understanding of your market and competitors. This is where the invaluable tool of white label competitor analysis reports steps into the spotlight, offering businesses a panoramic view of their competitors' strategies, strengths, and of course, vulnerabilities. The core of white label SEO analysis reports would include the following: discovering ranking keywords and high traffic drivers, uncovering backlinks, which is your competitors' authority sources, decoding competitors' content strategies, dissecting rival page structures, and discovering competitors' technical SEO. Now let's talk about how Softtrix can help you develop a good competitor analysis report. The first and foremost thing which works good for us is our expertise and experience. Apart from that, we've got paid tools which run in-depth analysis of any competitor website to showcase what their strategies are and what are the good points about their strategies. We'll also help you to strategically choose marketing channels, selecting the right competitors, and then we'll be creating comprehensive analysis reports showcasing whatever actionable insights that can shape your strategic decisions. And of course, we do provide customized cost-effective reports. Whatever you wish to be there in the report, we'll do that for you. In case you are looking for white label SEO analysis reports around your competitors, feel free to get in touch with us through our website and we surely will be able to help. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.